An updated face and new available active safety technology for the 2019 Spark add attitude and purpose to Chevrolet's feisty segment sales leading mini car. Spark's fresh front-end styling takes its cues from the Chevrolet line, while new, available low-speed forward automatic braking one can help drivers prevent or reduce the severity of low-speed front-end collisions by applying the brakes or enhancing the driver's braking. The new styling boosts Spark's premium appearance with a rich use of chrome in the grille. Available projector-style headlamps further enhance Spark's chic styling. The available LED daytime running lamps are moved lower, giving Spark a more powerful presence and a family resemblance to the rest of the Chevrolet car lineup. At the rear, dual-element tail lamps further the signature brand cue. Spark continues its tradition of offering customer personalization through bright and distinctive paint colors. The 2019 Spark is offered in LS, Lieutenant, 2LT and Active trims, with the Active featuring crossover-inspired design cues and a ride height raised by 10 mm. All trims feature standard air conditioning, 10 standard airbags and a rear vision camera system. New, segment-exclusive low-speed forward automatic braking joins the available driver confidence package, complementing the package's additional active safety features, forward collision alert and lane departure warning. When it comes to connectivity, Spark delivers a standard Chevrolet infotainment system featuring phone integration compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a limited trial of OnStar and connectivity access at no additional cost, plus access to the MyChevrolet mobile app. Spark is powered by a 1.4 LDOHC engine offered with a manual transmission or an available continuously variable transmission (CVT).